Thank you for stopping by at this channel. Today we're gonna make some assorted Danish. Stay tuned. Let's get started, shall we? I make some almond croissant, and this is a tutorial, different types of way how you can make almond croissant, um, different styles. Today we're gonna basically, and this dough is basically whole wheat. So it's a whole wheat dough, and we're gonna cut off the ends, and so we're gonna make some different styles. We're gonna make some little small croissant, raspberry croissant, and basically two raspberry croissant, and also we're gonna make some twists, and also we're just gonna make some assorted ones, okay? Just follow me through this video because it's gonna be fun, okay? Okay, first start off with the raspberry. You wanna stretch your dough, okay? Once you stretch your dough, let's put this over the side here because we're gonna work with these right here first. Once you stretch your dough, let's put this right in front of the camera. Let's turn on some more lights. So once you stretch your dough, this is a raspberry. You want to basically put a little bit of raspberry inside there, like that, okay? And basically, you want to basically roll this side in, okay? And stretch here, and you basically want to roll just like that, okay? Very roll nicely, and that's the raspberry, okay? So raspberry, and this one, you can just make a regular croissant, twist. Always have to cut this bottom piece here, cut bottom piece, pull, and then roll. You don't want to roll it too tight, you know. See? And that's how it is, okay? And then the next one here, these you're gonna basically cut this in half, and if the dough is kind of like not perfect, you just basically push on it like that, and take this out of the way, and cut these sides, okay? Open it, okay? You want to put a little water, just a little tip of water around the surface, so it seals the surface. Okay, and fold just like that. Bring this over and fold, okay? And this you want to make, if you want to do, let's just do pure raspberry, right? And this, you're gonna be doing that there. So that's one. And also, if you want to do beer club, what you do, raspberry beer club, push down, fold, and always remember, I always forget too, but tip a little water. You can use a brush, you can use, some people use egg whites, but push over, seal sides down, okay? Push down, seal, So you see that pocket? It basically, then you're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's gonna be the beer claws. Okay? Raspberry beer claw. And we're gonna do different types also. Okay? We're gonna do this one we're gonna do different types. Let's see. All right. What you do is cut these, okay? Then you're gonna put the raspberry right here, okay? Then seal corners. Always seal the corners. Seal the corners so whatever you put in there ain't coming out. Maybe popped up in the top, but that's fine. Okay? And that's the beauty of it. Okay? Okay? Nice window pocket. That's it. Okay, let's put this right here. And the next one, we are going to do, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 3 different kinds. So I would say we can do basically like a twist or so, Danish or so. All right. If this is almond, which is almond paste, you basically push this inside. Okay. Pull this around and basically push this inside. Pull that around and basically twist. Okay. Twist and twist. Okay. That can be one also. Okay. Twist over there. Okay. When it bakes, it's just basically gonna curl together. Okay. All right. Once and not least, watch my video and then you see different types of stuff. So this one, I'm gonna do different types. Okay. So cut these. If you have even a knife, you still can do the same thing. Okay. And then you spread these across. Okay. And then what you do is basically you put basically twist this here like that. So raspberry there, and I can say put a little bit more and put a little water. So bring this over. Hold on. Bring this over and bring this over and bring this one over. Okay. This is going to be like a pocket. Okay. And push it down. Once you push it down, you're going to basically push this in the center, right? And that's going to be a pocket full right there. Okay. And that's going to be the pocket full. So basically it's basically inside and the bottom. It's inside and outside. Okay. And the pocket full, if you can put like cherry or whatever, etc. on the top, it would be a great look. Okay. So that's the different types. And I have one more to show you, but I think I'm running out of dough. Then I have this little thing right here. Okay, I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. What you do, you mark it just like that. Mark it. And once I mark it, I cut this. And you can get these on Amazon or so, you know. And put it in there. Okay. Put the raspberry in. Okay. Seed it around. Okay. Fold it. Okay. And open. And just like that. Cut that accessory. Just like that. And there you have it. And it's all sealed. So you always can do this also. And the pocket inside. So I'm gonna put these to bake. I'm gonna bake these. Proof them first, and then I'm gonna bake them. You know. So there you have it. When we bake them, we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna proof these, and then we're gonna bake these. You know, when we come back, I'll show you the end product of the video. Welcome back again. This is the final stage of my Danish, and I think they're beautiful. This is it. It's a very easy, simple step. And I want to wrap up this video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you think this video was very helpful for you, please like and share and subscribe.